Digestion begins in the mouth. Food enters the mouth where the teeth tear and cut the food into smaller pieces. Saliva, which is secreted by the salivary glands, mixes with the food to moisten it and to begin the breakdown of starchy food. The tongue pushes the food into the pharynx, which initiates swallowing, also known as deglutition. This moves the food from the mouth into the esophagus. The food moves down the esophagus through the involuntary process of peristalsis. Peristalsis is the relaxation and contraction of the organ walls. Food enters the stomach through the gastroesophageal sphincter. While in the stomach, the chemical breakdown of proteins begins and the intrinsic factor needed to absorb B12 is released. Food is churned until it is turned into a creamy paste called chyme. Chyme enters the small intestine through the pyloric sphincter. The first part of the small intestine, known as the duodenum, is where bile and pancreatic juices mixes with chyme. Bile is produced in the liver and is stored in the gallbladder. Chyme then moves to other parts of the small intestine, the jejunum and the ileum. The small intestine is where most nutrient absorption takes place. The undigested food then travels to the large intestine through the ileocecal valve. The large intestine absorbs water from the undigested food, harvests vitamins made by bacterial flora, and forms and expels feces. This is also known as defecation. The defecation reflex is initiated by feces entering the rectum and by stretching its walls. Feces exits the body through the anus.